Igoti inene guku Nairobi nirirugamitio uheani wa ibandi njeru cia kiriu iria ni MAISHA card na digital ID. Itua riri rirekereirio ni mucirithania wa igoti inene John CHIGITI thutha wa gikundi gia KATIBA Institute guthii igoti-ini kuregana na rianirira ria thirikari ria kuheana MAISHA number, MAISHA card na digital ID kwambiriria mweri muhituku kuri ciana iria ciaciarwo na mbeu njithi aria makinyia miaka 18.
We have meetings in every county and every sub county, so we have about 500 meetings around the country on public participation on MAISHA number, and we are confident that after these meetings we shall have all the submissions, we shall consolidate all the views from the members of the public so that we can be able to input and make the product that we have even more better for the people of Kenya.
KATIBA Institute yugite ibandi ici ni igeria ria thirikari ria kurirukia huduma na mbere igoti mweri wa kanana mwaka wa 2021 rioigire ni mugaru na watho ona thengia wa kuhuthira ciringi bilioni 10. Gikundi giki wira-ini wakio kiugite thirikari ndionganirie mawoni ma Akenya, wagi wa mawatho marumu ma kugitira data cia Akenya undu uria ungiiga maundu ma thiri ma Akenya hatikaini na thirikari kuhanyukia kugathika mawatho itekurumirira mitaratara iria yagireire.
We believe that we have a product that is going to help the country, that is going to be a secure document. It's going to be a document that will help our people enjoy services in a more convenient way.
Moigete uheani uningi ni uguthinikania ndurire iria citari cirakũranwo ta raia a Kenya matongoretio ni Nubians, Shona, Pemba Rwadis gatagati ka ingi.
Inaweza kuwa inasaidia, lakini ile kitu tunakuanga na shuku kama wa Kenya, ile serikali iliyopita na wao tu ni watu tu walibadilika. Inaweza kuwa tu ni mchezo na paka na panya.
Thutha guthikiriria wira uyu mucirithania CHIGITI oigite ni iganirite kuona maundu maria mari mbere igoti ni marito. Riu agetha ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini rungu rwa minister Kithure Kindiki, wabici ya munene wa watho hamwe na honge ingĩ kwa guthii na mbere na uheani wa ibandi ici.
Gateway to this digital ID is eCitizen. We saying when you have the Gavam Kononi app, the eCitizen app, then you are able to enroll for your digital ID.
Riu KATIBA Institute mahetwo thikũ 7 cia kuheana mateta mao kuri wabici cia thirikari iria ihetwo thikũ 14 cia kuneana macokio kuri igoti ciroyo ugithikiririo tariki 6 mweri wa keri mwaka ukite.
Automatically pops up on your phone. You're able to scan your face and you authorize.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wanjiku.